Yo, what is going on, guys? It's Hatchet Sir Toby here, and today I wanted to show you guys some revs comparing the stock factory active exhaust that comes on my 2020 Ford Mustang GT versus the Borla Atak Catback that I purchased on AmericanMuscle.com. I will link that in the description down below. So we're just going to show you guys two brief rev up clips so you guys get an idea of the sound difference. I'm not going to reel you guys up, wind you up, and give you a whole vlog and then put a timestamp of 30 seconds of exhaust clips. No, I'm not going to do that to you guys. So if you guys enjoy these exhaust clips, I'm going to be posting way more content. I've done so much more to the car since I got this new exhaust, the new tail lights, and the splitters. So basically since the last video. So if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to tune in on the next, and please remember to comment, like, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one.